What is good? What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? It's Monday, beautiful Monday. For all my sports, for NFL, sports nuts. Hope your teams won. My team won. You guys know Patty Mahomes, baby. Man, look, that boy is unreal, man. That boy is unreal, man. But shout out, man. Shout out to those Chiefs. Always love, man. Always love a win. Always love a win, especially on a Monday, man, when you're able to watch, especially my Skip and Shannon, my Undisputed, and Chris Carter just be hating on us, man, can't think of the name, man, right now, but they show. Chris and them be hating, man. Chris be hating, bro. Chris truly be hating on me, man, on the Chiefs, but it's all good. It's all good. But guys, shout out to everyone that's still opting in the funnels, that's setting up their free accounts, that's hitting that subscribe button. Most definitely that's hitting that subscribe, that like button, and that notification button. I always love when people are supporting. So definitely hit that button, hit it multiple times if you didn't hit it the first time. So shout out to everyone, man, that's doing their thing and getting involved as well. But guys, what I wanted to do, is kind of put a stain on your brain as far as how you can go out here and make additional money with the Conversion Pro. So it's not always just about recruiting and telling people, oh, you can make money. Sometimes you can go out here and actually tell a lawyer's office, say, hey, I can actually design a social media leads funnel for you to generate more leads for your business. And would that be helpful for you? Maybe set up something, $500 or $1,000 a month, where we go in and I build this system for you, pretty much generate lead, where it helps you generate leads for your page, how you can get back with them, let them know your services if you're running promotions, things like that with your service. Or like I said, if there is multiple network marketing business companies out there, then you can target those businesses, about how we have pre-made funnels for their particular niche of that business, and now you're able to generate and let them know, hey, we have interview leads, we have people that are interested in making money online. So the only thing you need to do is reach out to them for your particular business. It doesn't necessarily mean that they have to always be in your blood and sweat, tears, your favorite thing that you got going. For me, I have instant commission programs. So if I want to buy leads for those instant commission programs, then that's what I can particularly do. Or I can send them over to the Conversion Pros and say, hey, this is an opportunity where you can make tons of money online by promoting or offering a product to a $1 billion industry, literally. Let's call it. Okay, sorry about that, guys. But pretty much here, to a $1 billion industry. There's so many businesses out here in network marketing when it comes to, MLM, direct sales, like I said, network marketing. There's so many things out there that you can do. So you just need to be involved or find something that's going to allow you to be around those particular people where they're going to need those services. See, when you're providing something here, you're just fixing a problem to it. You have something, that you're selling, you're fixing a problem to something. Okay, so if people are having problems generating leads, then you want to be that lead, pretty much be that lead source to them. If people are having a problem making things duplicatable for their team, then you can do that with this particular system, because you can build pages, you have share codes, you have the where you can tell them to go and purchase leads in the back office, so they're doing the same thing that you're doing. We have scripts telling them how to go, what to say, what to text, what messages to leave, things like that, to kind of, not exactly within your business, but how to do it, and then you pretty much doctor it up to your business. Okay, so guys, I wanted to actually, share some of that information with you. It's not hard for you to go out here and offer a free system to someone that's going to help their business. So like I said, especially with the Paid Every Fridays funnels, we're going to be creating different funnels outside of the Conversion Pros funnels as well. So with that particular, when you have someone that can, that's a graphic artist, or, that can actually do additional things, then they can go out and create custom funnels and make things look a lot more badass. Okay, so for my Christians, I'm sorry, but that's what it is. All right, it is what it is. We're able to make pages look so much better, doper. And like I said, it's all about the way that what you're willing to learn. And there's so many people willing to learn. My buddy that's put together the Paid on Fridays funnels, he's actually offering a training on how to actually do the graphic that he does. So guys, that's awesome. So if you're willing to learn, you're willing to get to the next level in life, you're willing to get to that next level where you want to take your business to the next level, then you got to do the things that you need to do. Okay, so Guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap this video on up. I just wanted to kind of give some information and some things that you can do to push your business to the next level. So then that way you can make tons of money like a lot of us that are doing, getting paid every Friday. You guys see me post up a video every Friday and me getting paid with the Conversion Pros. So you guys, we get 50% because it's a residual program. I earn a residual income with this program. So you guys know I get 50% of any time someone decides they want to sign up, or each month time that they pay their monthly fee. So I get $25 for each month. Okay, so guys, it's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing to get paid every week. Like I said, Christmas is coming. Get involved, man. So I'm gonna wrap this video on up, guys. This your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Until the next video, I'm out. Peace.